that's situated in a cul-de-sac location where, as you can see around me, the only traffic that exists here is that of your neighbours and what can only be described as a quiet family location. Hi, I'm Trent Vivian and welcome you to 42 Somerset Crescent, Mosman Park. Walking up to the home, you can see it exists on an elevated position with reticulated gardens and lawn at the front. Entering into the home, we are greeted with beautiful bamboo flooring which exists throughout the entire part of the home and nice wide ceilings. There is a multi-purpose living area here at the front and also a master's quarters which has been cleverly redesigned to fit in a walk-in wardrobe and also a huge ensuite bathroom floor print. Moving further down the corridor, we have on my right a second minor room with inbuilt sliding robes, and to my left we have a second multi-purpose room which could be perfect for a study nook. You then land in the heart of the home, which is the kitchen, dining and main living area, and as you can see they're all open plan connected. The kitchen has had a fantastic upgrade with Essa stone bench tops, Bosch appliances throughout, plenty of storage and its own shopper's entrance to the garage. The dining and living area are a really good size, perfect if you're hosting a decent amount of people, and it's all reverse cycle air conditioned. Stepping outside to a large outdoor alfresco area which has this amazing inbuilt barbecue perched up on a limestone bench, all of which overlooks this huge saltwater pool that's north facing and attracts an abundance of natural light. Finally, the minor's quarters, which comes off the kitchen. It features two more minor rooms, both with inbuilt robes, a fantastic sized minor bathroom with a bathtub for the kids, and of course a separate laundry with direct access outside. Well, that's the home. Now let's complete the package with the location. Just 570 metres to the public transport along Stirling Highway, 575 metres to the Swan River, and 775 metres to the iconic Western Australian coastline. And of course, who could forget the abundance of public and private schools? So I look forward to showing you through shortly.